Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are okay. Okay, now again, today we are going to start lesson number 3, how many squares in 5th standard maths. In this chapter, last session we did what is perimeter. Perimeter means boundary of the shape. That means outline of the figure. The shape can be any. That is triangle, square, rectangle, any shape, but we have to find the length of that shape, that means boundary of the shape. Now today we are going to do find the area of shapes by counting grids. Okay, that means estimate also. Now look at it. What is area? Area is the amount of surface a figure covers. Area means inner part. Area means whatever figure shown on the graph paper or otherwise in your textbook. In that figure, the particular space we can see in that figure, that is called area. Look at here. Here I draw circle. Area means this inner part. If I draw on this figure, area means inner part. That means we have to find out the area in this figure. The grids are shown here also, like this. Okay, see, here we have to find whole square. This is not whole square, that means we will put cross mark. Here also cross mark, here also. See, yes, cross mark. And full square. Okay, like this. See, in this figure, I drawn one figure. Area is the amount of surface a figure covers. What is the amount of surface? Now here we have to see how many squares are full. That means whole square. And how many square are half? Here or more than half. Half, otherwise more than half, otherwise less than half. More than half, less than half, half. 2 half means we will count 1. Okay? 2 half. More than half, less than half or half. We will count 2 half means 1. Look at here. Now full square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Half square, put cross mark sign. Okay. How many half square? 4. Now, area means full square plus half square divided by 2. If it is more than half or less than half, no problem. But we will write here half square divided by 2. Full square. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Half square? 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 12 plus 4 upon 2. 2 2s are 4. That means 12 plus 2. That means 14 square centimeter. Answer is 14 square centimeter. We cannot write here 14 centimeter because it is area. In area we found the square. How many squares are there in this figure? The amount of surface of square. So here we will write in area 14 square centimeter. If you will write 14 centimeter, that means your sum is wrong. You have to write 14 square centimeter. Now come on, we will see now in the graph paper. Okay, come on now students, we will do in the graph paper, find the area of the following figure. Here I am drawing one figure, look at here. Here I will go up to 6 centimeter, that means 6 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tiny dot. 1, 2, see, here I made one. Okay, come on now, again. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will go up to 2 square up, but not come back side 1, then go 2 square up. That means 1 and 2. Put dot here. Now join these two square. Okay? Yes. Now these two you have to join. Here we are not finding the perimeter. Here we have to find the area. Okay? Now full square. 1 and 2. Now this is a half square. This is less than half. Cross mark. Here also it is half. Here half. See, look at here. Tiny half. Here also half, half, half. How many half? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 half. And 2 whole square. Okay? Find the area of the shape. Okay. Area is equal to whole square plus half square divide by 2. How many whole square? Yes, 1 and 2. And how many half? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 half. That means 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. That means 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 square centimeter. Answer is 6 square centimeter. Here we have to write compulsory square because in this figure we are finding area. Area means the amount of surface given in the figure. Here the square, the grid is given. So this answer is 6 square centimeter. Second. Okay. Here I am putting 1 dot. I will go up to 3 square. Cross. See, like this. 1, 2 and 3. Put a dot here. Then join this. Okay. Now again. 1, 2 and 3. Again see. 1, 2, 3. Now this join two lines. Yes, this is like triangle shape. No, it is kite shape. Okay. Now in this figure we have to find first full square. Okay, see. 1, 2. Yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many whole square? 12. Whenever whole square you can see right, you have to put right tick mark. Now half square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now see. Again whole square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 whole square. And half square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 half and 12 full square. Okay. Now question 2. Find the area of the shape. Okay. Area is equal to whole square. Otherwise you can write full square also. Plus half square divide by 2. 12 are there. 12 plus 12 divide by 2 is equal to 12 plus 12 upon 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. That means 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 square centimeter. Answer 18 square centimeter. This sum you have to write on the back side of the graph page. That means you have graph book. In this graph book, you have to draw one figure and the back side you have to do the sum. Now come on, we are going to number 3. Here we will go up to 7. Here I put dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7. Then here I will go up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here no need to write 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Now you have to join these two lines. Okay? See. Now first we will find out the full square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 minute. See, here line is deeper. So, you have to draw again. Okay. See, here the line is deeper. So, here it is not full square, it is half square. Now, come on. 1, see a tiny half square. 2, 3, here also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Again just see here small half square, here also small, here also small, and here it is little bit half. Look at here. Okay, so how many whole square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 full square and half 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Find the area of the shape. Area is equal to whole square plus half square divide by 2. Whole square? Oh, forward. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Half. You have to draw this figure very perfectly. Otherwise, you cannot find out the tiny square, tiny half square. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. Here these two small half. 12 divide by 2. So 15 plus 12 upon 2. 2 6 are 12. That means 15 plus 6 is equal to 21 square centimeter. Answer is 21 square centimeter. See your figure properly. Okay, now we will go to another figure. Go up to 4 square. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exit 4. Up, come. सेंटर में आ जाओ, सेंटर, that means 2 here, 2 here. Now till go up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now join this. Again join this. Now come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. And then half. Okay, okay. Let's see. 1, 2. See here. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Look at here, this tiny, small half square. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Find the area of the shape. Area is equal to whole square plus half square divide by 2. Whole square only 2 and half square 12. I think it was 12. 12 divided by 2. Come on, let's check. Yes, full square 4, 4, 4. Here it is 4, 4. And half 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 4 plus 12 divided by 2. 2, 6 are 12. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 square centimeter. Area is equal to 10 square centimeter. One more figure. Okay. 2 square down, then 1 square right side, then 4 square, okay, then come to the 7 square, left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now you have to join these two lines. Join two dots. Okay. Come on, let's first count full square. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half, here it is half, 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 half. Here no tiny half square. That means how many half square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, full 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Yes. Find the area of the shape. Area is equal to whole square plus half square divide by 2. Whole square 19 and half square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2. Let's count it is 19 or not. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, it is right. 19 plus 6 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. That means 19 plus 3. How many? 19 plus 3? 19, 20, 21, 22. That means 22 square centimeter. Area is equal to 22 square centimeter. Okay. Now we are going to do in our textbook. Okay. See, this is the textbook. Here it is figure. Question is written. Arrange the shapes in increasing order of their areas. Increasing order, that means ascending order. Increasing means numbers are increasing. In ascending, small to big. Small, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger. Okay. Now here, see, first of all we count whole square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, here 9 full square and plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 half. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 half. Here it is half. Here it is half, 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 half. Here 3 4 square. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Half. Here it is also half. Okay. So arrange the shapes in increasing order of their areas. The tiniest, the smallest figure, yes. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, it is D. D के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? ओके, यहाँ पे 4 है तो इट इज F. F के बाद आएगा C. C में 5 है. See here only it is 3 whole square. Here it is 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. A, D, F and C. C के बाद आएगा yes A. Yes, here also 9, here also 9, but here half square are also it is given. Here it is not given. So after A, B, then last it will come E. Okay, last it will come E. 1 minute. Okay. Next questions. Which shapes has bigger area? See, here 2 shapes are given in the box. Here we have to count how many whole square and how many half square. See, in figure A, that means in this figure, monkey is given here teddy bear. Number of complete square are 14 and number of square more than half are 12. Here number of complete square, that means whole square are 7 and number of square more than half are 11. That means which figure is space the more area? Yes, by observing both the figure, we counted both the collected data. That means full square and half square. We can conclude that the shape A has bigger area because complete square, that means whole square are 14. Here only 7 and more than half are 12 and here only 11. That means A has bigger area. Same you have to find out in this figure. Which square, complete square more or half square more? In both the figure, we can find that shape A has bigger area. Now, last question. Which of the following are not tessellation? Okay, tessellation, that means that figure, in that figure no space. You can see here in this figure, you cannot find out any shape between the figure. Here in these two figure, you can find out the space. See here, empty space you can see. Here you can see the white part. Here also you can see the white part. Here we can't see any dot of white part. So this figure is tessellation and these two figures are not tessellation. Again, we cannot see here white part, that means empty part here we can see. That means in figure which we cannot see the empty part, that figure is tessellation and these two are not tessellation. Thank you.